Adagiorum Maxime Vulgarium Thesaurus, Episode 12. This elegiac couplet is entitled Ex Merditis Propriis, according to the Laura Gibbs collection of Brevissima 1000 short poems. It's taken from Anton Moker. Here are his dates, 1540 to 1605, Decalogus Metricus, which means a metrical or versified edition of the Decalogue, the Ten Commandments. So it sounds like this: Non datur ex meritis maiordrum gloria vera. Ex propriis meritis gloria vera datur. Now to give the scansion, it's non datur dactyl, ex mera dactyl, tis mai spondi, ordrum spondi, gloria like so vera. So that's the first line, which is an hexameter, because the meter here is elegiac couplet. The second line is a pentameter, or double hemiepes, and so it goes like this: ex propriis meritis, half foot, then a strong break. Then after that half foot, we have 2.5 more feet, gloria, dactyl, vera da, dactyl, tur, half foot. So to read again, non datur ex meritis maiordrum gloria vera. Ex propriis meritis gloria vera datur. Now for the translation. The title would be something like based on one's own accomplishments. So there is not given, non datur, from the merits, from the accomplishments of one's ancestors, true glory. So here is our subject, gloria vera, feminine, singular, and nominative. Gloria is a first declension noun with the adjective, so true glory, non datur, is not granted. Datur is the third singular, present, indicative, and passive, from the first conjugation verb do, dare, like so. True glory is not granted ex meritis, based on the merits. So meritis is neuter, plural, and ablative. It's an adjective here being used as a noun, a substantive, and going with it is this, maiordrum, masculine, plural, and genitive, one's ancestors, those who are greater than us. True glory does not derive from the accomplishments or merits of one's ancestors. Now the second line, ex propriis meritis, as a consequence of one's own merits. So here we have again neuter, plural, and ablative. The preposition ex takes always and only the ablative. Based on one's own merits, gloria vera, true glory, is granted or is given. So this is the same gender numbering case as here, namely feminine, singular, and nominative. And datur declines just like the first instance, that is third singular, present, indicative, and passive. Notice how the two lines are constructed. We begin with non datur. We can label datur as A. Then we have the subject, gloria vera, B. We end with the subject, gloria vera, B, and then a repetition of datur, A. So thus we have a nice chiasmus, A, B, B, A. This is very standard for elegiac couplets. The form lends itself to this type of construction.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.